In today's video, I have an eaves trough system that looks so good and is incredibly strong. If you're interested in that, stay tuned for the rest of the video, and thanks for being here. Hi, I'm Alex with ASM 101. Again, thanks for being on here. I found this really nice eaves trough system. It's a Euro style gutter, so that means it's a half round gutter with exterior fastened brackets. There's no hidden brackets, but the way it looks and the way it presents itself, it just looks so elegant and professional, and it's incredibly strong, believe it or not. So I'm going to go through some of the parts first, and then we can do a little install video that I did on my place here. I have them on this house. The company is fantastic to deal with. They're a company called Lindab, and I'll link to them down in the show notes as well. But without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's get started. We have an end cap we're just going to tap on. It's designed to eliminate the use of any sealant. It has a rubberized gasket inside, and it is a pressure fit. All I'm going to do now is going to grab the length from my trough and lay that on and mark it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hacksaw and cut that 1/2-inch bull nose through and finish off the cut with a pair of snips. These snips, everything we use, all the tools we use, I'm going to put into the description below, so just make sure to have a look so you can use what we use. I marked out my bracket placement, and I'm folding my tabs on, and I'll do that wherever I marked for a bracket. The inside corner, backside gets opened up like I did. I flip it over, and once you see what I do here, basically the reason why I opened up the back was to be able to lock these two together like that. I'll take a straight edge, I'll lay that over just to kind of line things up nice. Take our joint coupling that also has a rubberized pressure fitting within it, and once it's clamped down, everything's sealed. No need for caulking once again. Okay, all I'm doing here, now that I have done all the prep work to the gutter, I just give the gutter a little bit of slope and put my screws in and hang that gutter. I'm going to grab my length, go down to the bench, cut it, same process, very simple. That 1/2 round's real nice to cut. Put in our end cap, slide it in. What I'm doing here now is I'm getting a visual placement of my outlet. I just like to do it this way because then you get to see how things look, where it's going, if it makes sense. And now I'm just going to draw a little circle there so I know where to cut and drill my pilot hole. I'm just going to cut a rough opening here, nothing special. Guys, you can just do this at home. It's very easy, very simple process. This outlet is more of a catch basin style outlet, which allows us to, again, eliminate the use of caulking because it's not relying on a sealed joint to drain the water. It's relying on an open hole. That's all it's relying on. The one thing about this open hole, though, is what I'm going to show you right now is I'm bending down this raw edge. Okay, I'm giving it a little kick down, and what that is going to do is going to eliminate any possibility of capillary action taking water sideways beyond the outlet. But again, once you see this, that the mouth on that outlet is so big, it's just going to catch every little bit of water. It snaps on. We put our brackets in place again. Once that's ready, open up the back of the trough, and it's ready for install. What we do here is we just put the screws in, give it some slope, and it's ready to go. Just going to focus on attaching this joint, securing this joint together here. Really, again, simple. I just take my folders, I fold them upwards together, and then I fold them back down together. And what that does, it just aligns everything up real nice. It gives us that nice tight joint all the way around. I'm going to get our lap clamp here, our joint clamp. I'm going to line it up with that back edge and snap down that clasp, and everything's good. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.